All right, I just got to the Silver Moon Consignment Barn. I'm kind of obsessed with this wood pumpkin. Oh, and then here is the reproduction of the Holt Howard Holly Girls. Got my preemptive basket just in case. All right, what's going on with the head bases here? I remember this booth because it has the confusing discounts. The Marilyn Monroe one definitely stands out. Wait a minute, this is Rubens and it's only $10? How is that? Yeah, that's definitely Rubens and it's Marilyn Monroe for $10. I'm grabbing this for sure. That is a steal. I'm actually gonna look this up right now. It's a little bit on the newer side, but it's still a great maker. All right, let's see what else we got here. They didn't sell for as much as I thought they would, but it's still a great deal. This Barber one is $20. That's a good price. $35. What about this one? $35. All right, I think I'm done here. Got what I wanted. Well, I was trying to put on my sweater when I noticed this little Left-In Valentine's Day girl vase. $15 though. That's pretty close to what I get for those after fees. What are these funny salt and pepper shakers? I kind of love those. And then a nodder set with the pheasants. $20, and they're not my favorite of the designs. Well, this definitely was not here the last time I was. There's a lot of kitschy stuff in here. The first thing I notice are those skunks and bears. How freaking awesome are they? Oh man, but they're priced kind of high. That is definitely retail. I looked those up. These are funny as what? Oh my gosh, are they Christmas skunks? Left-in squirrels. That is fabulous. Oh, I love them. I don't know if I could get... Wait a minute. Oh. Well, these are coming with me. These are a steal. Those eyelash dogs. And everybody knows I am a sucker for fuzzy ceramics. $19 is pretty close to what I'd get for that after fees. I was kind of hoping it was for the pair, but it's each. I love these bird feather paintings. Well, once again, this I cannot ignore. The Tilso cow. Wow, I've never seen one in this good of a shape. For $16, I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. I'm gonna look this up and look the skunks up. Oh my gosh, look at this cute little mushroom. Yeah, I'm gonna look both these up just to make sure because it's been a while and I've never seen those skunks. Yeah, I'm not even gonna second guess this set. I'm gonna grab that. Make sure it's not broken or something because that's a really fair price, $16. I think I'll easily be able to double my money on that. Where's my basket? So, if I'm not mistaken, $18 is pretty close to what I'd get for these after fees, which is a real shame because I think they're spectacular. It's just a little too much for me to front and gamble with. I cannot help but notice this Fenton too, $25. That's really pretty. I usually just see them in blue or white. Good grief, look at all this stuff. All right, I'm obsessed with this set. That is really fun. Oh. 44, good grief. What? That's crazy. These are all really expensive. Let's see what they got over on this side. That's a really nice couch. The Roy Dest Nurse Bank is fun, but Roy Dest stuff really doesn't sell that well for me. Rubens, 28. That's a little pricey too. This is one funky lamp, man. I'm obsessed with that. 125, that seems actually kind of fair. And I am really into these pheasants. Those are cool. $100 for the pair. I've never seen that exact set before. Yeah, and I love this set. I usually pick these up, but I've had them a few times recently, and I got them for half the price of that. fun table. I have to know. Ooh, wait, I almost missed that. Oh, are they, what is happening here? How cute are these little, whatever. Oh, and this is neat too. Man, I am like missing stuff left and right. 21, that's a little pricey for sure. That's more than I'd sell that for. And the bone china, nothing too uncommon. Guess I will go upstairs next. Again, one of those places where you kind of gotta look everywhere. I'm afraid I'll miss something. All the fun Halloween masks. I don't really sell these though because they're so easily broken. I'm even scared to touch them, honestly. See, they crack like that so easy. This is one of those things. I love looking at these kinds of places where it's just so random. Everything's everywhere. It's one of those things where you just like really never know what you're gonna find where, which is exciting to me. Ooh, I have one of these lamps. How much is this? $59. Oh, I really wish I could justify buying another one. It gives off the best light ever. I kind of want this for myself, I'm not gonna lie. If it was a little bit less, I would do it. It's like my favorite style. See, now this is what I'm talking about. From first glance, it looks like new toys, but then there's this random Korea. All right, I think I'm gonna have to put my basket down. Korea. Let's see if there's anything. It kind of looks like somebody already went through these because the older ones are at the top. Let me put this basket down. Whatever this thing is that keeps popping out at me is hilarious. I kind of like that. Yeah, so it kind of looks like somebody already went through it and made sure there was nothing hiding in there. I do like that though. Let's see, is there anything in here? No, just making sure that it was not stuffed with animals, or filled with stuffed animals, I should say. All right, I'm kind of turned around. I guess I'm gonna go back downstairs. Yeah, look at how big this place is. I love it. A lot of newer stuff. I'm just checking this little crevice of salt and pepper shakers, make sure there's nothing I'm missing. Let's see. Lots of dolls. More like 70s, 80s. Some 90s, actually. I had a lot of that style Madame Alexander when I was a kid. Even when something says craft section, I always peek my head in just to make sure. Every once in a while, there'll be something random hidden in the wrong place, or just like a booth that has some random vintage. The craft section actually doesn't even look like crafts. It just looks like furniture. I think it's a safe bet to say there's nothing in here for me. What's this mushroom set hiding back here? 79 firm. Oh no, it does say 82 Japan. I was confused for a second. All right, let's see what's going on in here. I really like this little bucket with the baby frog. Hello, my baby. Hello, my darling. I forgot what I was doing for a second. 25. That's kind of neat. I love the tea cart. What is happening here? It's a single shaker. What is this doll? Is this Carmen Miranda? Oh, she's kind of scary looking, actually. I'm gonna put that back. Oh my gosh. Look what we have here. I have a feeling they know what this is. Well, they actually don't. That is a steal and a half for sure. This larger size, I remember I had a couple Christmases ago. They're pretty hard to find. I think mine sold for like $46 or something. Let's see what else they have in here. That is not as exciting as I thought it was gonna be. And these I've had a few times. $3.50 though. I kind of can't resist that. Looks like it works. I wonder if there's a place to plug this in. I'll throw it in here too, just in case. This is cool. A little underwhelming. Fun, but all right, I'm gonna keep going here. So I can't tell if it's supposed to blink. I'm gonna wait here for a second to see if anything else happens. Yeah, I guess it's supposed to blink. That's kind of obnoxious, but it's also kind of cool that it works. For $3.50, I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. Super cool chalk genie lamp. Oh my gosh, look at those freaking paintings. Those are phenomenal. Whoa. Okay, it also says $350. That's a little extreme. I'm gonna step away from that. Oh, I remember this booth. It's so neat. So cool. Look at this. Ah, it's Wonder Woman. This is a fabulous chalk cat. 15 is got a little too much damage for me though. Little rubber face bear. Super cute. 15 super fair for retail. Whoa, wait a minute. Hold on. Very, very cool. I almost feel like looking it up, but I also don't really want to spend $30 on it. Okay, I'm gonna go check out and then head down the street to Lewisburg Antique Mall. I can't remember what it's called. So I ended up spending $45 in there, which means I've spent $170 total, which is really not bad. I kind of don't want to go to Lewisburg. I kind of just want to go straight to Street of Shops. I think that's what I'm going to do, honestly.